Hey folks, a lot of air fryers claim to replace your traditional appliances, but then they just take up half of the space of your kitchen worktop counter. Well, these newer tower models tend to solve that issue, and I have to say the Turbo Tower Compact from Cosori here actually does one of the best jobs at this. And when you take this out of the box, well, actually first impressions are that is pretty obvious. Now, Cosori are saying that the Turbo Tower Compact takes up to less than 39% space than a traditional air fryer. And you can definitely feel this when you pop it into place. Now, build quality on this model is also fantastic. The actual cooking areas are fully ceramic, so no PFAS included. And the drawers themselves are dishwasher safe, so this is fully convenient not only for cooking, but for cleaning as well. So what is actually going on with this thing when it's cooking? Well, you've got dual DC motors, so one per basket, which are running independently. And that matters because each zone is heating and circulating air on its own terms and not having to share resources with the other. And when you combine that with Cosori's NTC thermal sensor, which replaces basic on-off heating cycles with adaptive temperature management, you've now got a great setup designed for consistent, even results, rather than just blasting heat and hoping for the best. And there are also 6 separate cooking functions as well, these being air fry, roast, grill, bake, reheat and dry, with a wide temperature range of 35 degrees all the way up to 200 degrees Celsius. And the full cooking area is 21 centimetres wide, so you've got decent room to work with here despite the compact overall size of the air fryer. You can definitely fit a decent sized pizza in this thing as well. So of course I've been putting this through its paces, testing the cooking of various meals using both of the drawers and using the different settings, and the results have been super consistent actually. It has been a pleasant surprise. One thing worth knowing before you buy, Cosori recommend keeping food below 5 centimetres in height for proper airflow. The baskets themselves are a little more than this, about 7.5 centimetres deep, so there is plenty of headroom there. But if you start stacking food too high, you are going to lose that even crispiness. So take that guidance somewhat seriously and you are going to get those consistent results. But ultimately, who is the Turbo Tower Compact going to work for? Well, if you are part of a family, maybe you have a smaller kitchen, or if you've been put off purchasing an air fryer in the past simply because of using up the counter space, then it is going to definitely be worth your while checking out this model. The ceramic coating, the independent zones and the temperature control do all translate into some pretty hefty real-world results. Just bear in mind that one caveat in remembering to check the food height doesn't exceed that 5 centimetres. You will get fantastic cooking if you do pay attention to that, but if you don't, then you may find yourself a little frustrated. I will drop a link to this air fryer down in the video description, and if the video has helped you, please remember to drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. Take care guys, I'll catch you next time.